Did you know the stripes on the tiger are unique just like fingerprints? Or the national animal of Scotland is a unicorn? If you enjoy facts like these, you are in for a treat. Here we have 100 real yet hard to believe facts. Sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction. Number 100. Kryptos, a sculpture outside CIA headquarters in Virginia, is an encrypted monument. It contains a secret message. The sculpture features 4 inscriptions, 3 of which have been cracked, but the 4th is still a mystery. You can't hum while holding your nose. Did you just try doing that? According to the National Association of City Transportation Officials, the average time spent waiting at a red light is 75 seconds, accounting for approximately 20% of all driving times. That means you spend 6 months of your life waiting for red lights to turn green. Number 97. Some people suffer from cherophobia, which is the fear of being happy. It comes from the Greek word chero, which means to rejoice. People who suffer from cherophobia are often afraid of doing anything that might lead to happiness. Well, as absurd as that sounds, it's true. It is possible to hear a blue whale's heartbeat from 2 miles away. You just might miss it though, as its heart only beats 8 to 10 times per minute. While on the other hand, for us as humans, the normal range in human adults is 60 to 100 times per minute. Marie Curie's notebooks are still radioactive. They are stored in a lead box and will be for another 1,500 years. Her body was also radioactive and therefore was placed in a coffin lined with nearly an inch of lead. Victorians said prunes instead of saying cheese. Well, they did that before taking a picture to retain a more serious look in their photos. Smiling in photos was considered undignified and reserved for the poor and the drunk. A rooster's call can reach 140 decibels or louder. It might leave you wondering how the rooster itself doesn't go deaf. It turns out the roosters have built-in earplugs. Researchers found out that when a rooster opens its beak to crow, its external auditory canals close off, and this prevents the sound from coming in. Number 92. Global warming solved a land dispute between India and Bangladesh. You might be wondering how. The land in dispute disappeared. Who knew global warming could be a peacemaker? The Netherlands is so safe that it imports prisoners from other countries to fill its jails. 23 prisons in the Netherlands shut their doors since 2014. How I wish every country in the world was like that. The Great Pyramid of Cholula, which is located in Cholula, Puebla, Mexico, is the largest pyramid in the world. It has a base 4 times the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is also the largest monument ever constructed. The locals call it the man-made mountain. London's black cab drivers are required to take a series of tests known as the knowledge. To pass this, they have to memorize 320 routes and 25,000 streets and also 20,000 landmarks and places of public interest. Well, that was tiring. Number 88. Dolphins can create a unique vocal whistle that allows it to be identified by other dolphins in its pod. A team of researchers at the University of St. Andrews in Scotland found that the animals responded when their specific call was played back to them. This is just like us responding to our names. The apex predator with the highest kill rate is not the lion, not the tiger also, not even the wolf. It is the African wild dog. According to researchers, these lean, big-eared canines have a kill rate of 85%, while lions get just 17 to 19% of their targets. Number 86. The British Empire was huge. 62 countries eventually declared their independence from the empire, and 48 of which celebrate an Independence Day from the United Kingdom. Water never expires. The expiration dates seen on the water bottles are not for the water, but for the bottle. After a while, the plastic starts leaching into the liquid. A wallet belonging to one of the survivors of a plane crash was returned by a hiker named Ricardo Pena when he found it on a glacier in the Andes. The Andes is a mountain range situated in South America. It actually belonged to an Uruguayan rugby player. Pena tracked him down and returned the wallet, more than 3 decades after its loss. Acts like these restores faith in humanity. The world's most successful pirate was not a man, but a woman named Cheng Shi. She was the widow of fearsome pirate Cheng Wan. She commanded more than 1,800 pirate ships and 80,000 men. Now that's a woman we look up to. Polar bear fur isn't actually white. It's hollow and made of transparent keratin. Number 81. A sea lion came to the rescue of a man named Kevin Hines after he jumped off San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. The sea lion swam beneath him and kept him afloat until the Coast Guard arrived. Isn't that cute? The painting of lines down the center of the roads was devised by Edward Hines in 1911. He got the idea after seeing the dotted drippings from a leaking milk wagon. Well, that's how creativity works its ways into our lives. A Chinese panda named Ai Hin faked her pregnancy to get better treatment and treats. We never knew that animals could be this smart. Number 78. Roald Dahl may be best known as the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but he was actually a spy for the British Security Coordination gathering intelligence during World War II. The man is certainly brilliant. Just after birth, a baby sees only in black and white, with few shades of grey. As the months go by, he or she will slowly start to develop colour vision, and that is at around 4 months. According to a 2017 study, the average Indian spends 10 hours and 42 minutes per week reading. This is more than any other country in the world. No wonder Indians are so smart. The aurora borealis has a sister phenomenon in the southern hemisphere called the aurora australis. Aurora australis, like aurora borealis, occurs when solar particles collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere. The Apple Collections branded clothing and lifestyle line in 1986 was a commercial flop. Sunglasses, lapel pins, and the original $35 Apple Watch are just few of the goods they couldn't sell. Number 73. The IKEA catalog is the most widely printed book in history. With more than 200 million copies in circulation every year, the IKEA catalog surpasses the Bible, the Quran, and the Harry Potter series to earn the title of the world's most printed books. I'm sure the Harry Potter fans out there are really sad after this fact. But don't worry, fact number 72 will make it alright. Crocodiles are one of the oldest living species. They lived for more than 200 million years. In fact, crocodiles have always been so well designed for survival that modern crocodiles are hardly different than those found in fossils. And that is a really cool fact of history there. What is it that makes joint cracking so loud? When joints are stretched, the pocket of gas that gets trapped between them are released. When these bubbles of oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide escape, they might make a popping or cracking noise. The largest snowflake seen was 15 inches wide, the size of a frisbee. It remains the title holder for the Guinness World Records largest snowflake ever. Due to its height, the Burj Khalifa lets you see the sunset twice. Once when you're on the first floor, and then again if you take the elevator to the last floor. Wow, 2 sunsets in a day. Isn't that cool? The Oregon city of Boring, named after founder William H. Boring, has claimed the village of Dull in Perthshire, Scotland as its sister city. Now, that's a match made in heaven. Number 67. McDonald's once tried to sell engineered broccoli that tasted like bubblegum to encourage children to eat healthier. It failed, obviously. Most chips serve as good fire starters because they are made of flammable hydrocarbons soaked in oil. But Doritos are the best to be used as kindling. They burn for a long time. Guinea pigs are herd animals and can get severely depressed when all alone. In an effort to enhance social rights for animals, Switzerland officially considers owning a single guinea pig an act of animal cruelty and punishable. Well, at least we have some animal activists out there. The leaves, unripe fruits and stems of avocado are poisonous. They are more dangerous for animals, especially birds. The avocado is absolutely safe for humans. so you have nothing to worry about. And it's also very beneficial for our health. Number 63. The aspen grove in Utah, called Pando, is the largest living organism. The Pando aspen grove is made up of 47,000 identical aspen trees that cover 106 acres of Fish Lake National Forest in Utah. The aspen grove is connected by a single shared root system and has been around for thousands of years. Number 62. Shark's Achilles heel is turning it upside down. This renders it immobile for up to 15 minutes. About 15 minutes later, they'll become responsive again and return to normal. Grapes can light on fire in the microwave. The fruity fireball occurs as a result of the loose electrons and ions that cluster to form plasma when grapes get hot. The 1939 novel Gatsby is the longest book ever published that doesn't contain the letter E. It is a 50,000-word novel. Lobster shells can change color when exposed to heat. Their blood is initially clear and turns blue when it hits oxygen. Number 58. Bubble wrap was originally invented as textured wallpaper by sealing two shower curtains together to trap air bubbles. It maybe didn't do well as a wallpaper, but it sure did extremely well as a packaging material and is also quite famous among the younger kids. Bursting bubbles is actually quite a therapeutic activity. No two tigers have the same stripes. Like human fingerprints, their stripe patterns are unique to each individual. Number 56. Cornell University researchers made a nano guitar the size of a human blood cell out of crystalline silicon. It is claimed to be the world's smallest nano guitar at 10 micrometers long. Antarctica is covered in a sheet of ice that is 7,000 feet thick. That's about 19 football fields. The US Antarctic program says that if the ice sheet ever suddenly melted, it would raise the sea level worldwide at an estimated figure of 200 feet. And this would submerge much of the Gulf and Atlantic coastal areas of the US. Almost half of the world's population watched both the 2010 and 2014 FIFA World Cup games. Were you amongst one of them? Not every celestial object has a shape that's as perfectly majestic as planet Earth. Haumea, a dwarf planet about the same size as Pluto, is potato-shaped. Number 52. It only takes 6 minutes for alcohol to affect your brain. So even if you don't feel tipsy right away, you're definitely not totally sober either. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. Scotland is famous for its love for myths and legends. The barrel eye is a large fish with a completely transparent head. It is also known as spookfish. If you listen very closely, hot water and cold water sound slightly different when being poured. The heat changes the viscosity of the water, and this changes the pitch of the sound it makes when poured. Cold water is thicker and therefore makes a slightly higher pitched sound. So next time when you're pouring cold or hot water, you must listen to it closely. Number 48. Now this is a very interesting fact for all the dog lovers out there. Dogs actually understand some English. They can learn to recognize a vocabulary of about 165 words. I'm sure the dog lovers are really happy right now. Number 47. The companies Puma and Adidas was set up by Dassler brothers. Puma was originally named Ruda after Rudolf Dassler and Adidas was named Adas after Adolf Dassler. For 100 years, maps have shown an island named Sandy that doesn't exist. Supposedly, explorer James Cook discovered it in 1774. It wasn't until 2012, when a team of Australian scientists set out to survey the island, that they discovered there was no island there at all. Number 45. Sea lions can't sing along to music, but they might just dance to the beat. The only two mammals on Earth with the proven ability to dance to a beat are humans and sea lions. Pieces of diamonds may be floating in hydrogen and helium fluid deep in the atmospheres of Saturn and Jupiter. At even lower depths, the extreme pressure and temperature can melt the precious gem, literally making it rain liquid diamond. Supercomputers, originally built at the University of Pennsylvania School of Engineering in 1946, weighed 60,000 pounds and took up a room larger than the most studio apartments. which is about 1,500 square feet. Today, most of us have a supercomputer right inside our pockets. Number 42. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated 5 times for the Nobel Peace Prize, but he never won. In our hearts, he's always a winner and the utmost symbol of peace. Cheetahs can't roar. They meow and purr like regular house cats. Number 40. According to some former astronauts, space does have a distinct odor. Astronauts returning from space claim that their suits smell burnt. The smell reminds the astronaut of charred meat or wielding fumes. Number 39. Bees sometimes sting other bees to protect their hives from outsiders. Some guard bees will stay by the entrance and sniff the bees that come in. If there's a rogue bee from another hive trying to steal some nectar, the guard bee will bite and even sting the intruder. Children ask their mothers an average of nearly 300 questions per day. The moms reported that the hardest questions asked by them included, why are water wet? And what are shadows made of? Do you think you could answer those questions? Number 37. E is the most common letter and appears in 11% of all English words. The next most popular letter was A, which appears in around 8.5% of all words. The least common letter is Q, which appears in just 2.0% of words. The healthiest place in the world is Panama. According to 2018 report by International Living, it is called the Shangri-La Valley. The area is home to a beautiful scenery, a low cost of living, and a significantly longer life expectancy than the surrounding areas. Pigs are constitutionally protected in Florida. The Constitution of the state of Florida guarantees the right to privacy, freedom of speech, and the right of pregnant pigs to be free from cages. Dolphins were trained and used by the US and Soviet Union during the Vietnam War and the Cold War. Both countries studied the creatures for their sonar capabilities but also trained them to detect mines, bring equipment to divers, find lost equipment and guard submarines among the smart tricks. Number 33. Most of our laughter isn't necessarily a response to humor. Less than 20% of laughter comes after jokes. The rest is a reaction to regular statements and questions like, how have you been? Laughter helps form social bonds. Number 32. Barbie's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts. Her parents' names are given as George and Margaret Roberts. In 16th and 17th century Europe, cannibalism was practiced for medical purposes. The practice started because it was thought that Egyptian mummies have magical curative properties. So they were ground up and put in many remedies. Number 30. The color orange was named after the fruit. Earlier, the color was called red. Koalas have human-like fingerprints. Luckily, no koalas have framed humans for their crimes yet. Dinosaurs lived on every continent, including Antarctica. We only find their bones in certain places as weather conditions and soil conditions were just right for the bones to be fossilized. Bee hummingbirds are the tiniest versions of hummingbirds. They are so small that they are sometimes mistaken for insects. The world's biggest family lives together in Mizoram, India. A man with 39 wives and 94 children. Number 25. A little dash of nutmeg may improve flavor, but 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw nutmeg can induce hallucinations, convulsions, pain, nausea, and paranoia that can last for several days. Fatalities are, however, rare. Bees can be trained as bomb sniffers. When they detect the presence of explosives, they stick their proboscis out. The world's oldest known creature, Ming the mollusk, was 507 years old until scientists killed it by mistake. That's a tragic end. What do Alexander the Great, Julius and Caesar, Genghis Khan, Napoleon, Mussolini, and Hitler have in common? They all suffered from ailurophobia, the fear of cats. The first iPhone wasn't made by Apple, but by Cisco. Apple announced its own product just 22 days later. Have you heard of Cisco's iPhone? Number 20. Benin, a country in Central Africa, is famous for having the highest birth rate of twins in the world. While the world average is just 13 twins per 1,000 births, Benin more than doubles the rate at nearly 30 twins per 1,000 births. Cockroaches appeared 120 million years before dinosaurs. No matter what happens, they never cease to exist. Hitler was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 1939. It was a joke, obviously. In Halden, a high-security prison in Norway, every cell has a flat-screen TV, an ensuite shower, and fluffy white towels. It doesn't feel like prison anymore. Termites are the longest-living insects. They can live up to 100 years. Number 15. Sweat doesn't actually stink. It's the bacteria on your skin that breaks the sweat down that causes the odor. Greenland sharks are known to be some of the oldest living animals in our world. They can live for 5 centuries. There's an entire town under a rock. This small whitewashed Spanish town is a home to 3,000 people. Can you believe that? Toilet seats are cleaner than your cell phone. Your phone could be 7 times dirtier. The moon continues to spin away from the earth at a rate of 3.78 cm per year. Without the moon, the earth could slow down enough to become unstable. But this would take billions of years, and it may never happen at all. Number 10. Giraffes and kangaroo rats can live longer than camels without water. In fact, kangaroo rats can go their whole lives, which is about 3 to 5 years, without drinking any. In 1811 and 1812, a series of earthquakes caused the soil beneath the Mississippi River to rise. This caused the river to flow backward. Number 8. Jessica Cox became the world's first licensed armless pilot in 2008. This is truly inspiring. Former American President Theodore Roosevelt delivered an 84-minute speech after being shot in the chest during a campaign stop. Unfortunately, he still failed the 1912 election. The sunsets on Mars are blue. It is due to the fine dust scattering the red light from the sun. Number 5. Dogs can smell cancer. Researchers have found out that dogs are able to pick up on specific scent that cancer produces in a person. Elephants grieve just like us. They bury their dead and travel for funerals. People don't sneeze in their sleep. The brain shuts down the reflex during sleep. Number 2. Green iguanas have a third eye. This eye is not quite like a normal eye, but it can help iguanas detect the movement of a predator sneaking up on them from above. Number 1. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. This is because its rotation on its axis is slower than its revolution around the sun. Do you think you would be able to survive on planet Venus? Now that was 100 unbelievable random facts. Well, those random facts definitely make you smarter. And if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share, and you know what we're going to say next? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.